Sorry, I'm just trying to wake up my foot. It's gone numb. This feeling of numbness sets in when the nerve carrying blood to the foot gets compressed. By shaking my feet, I'm loosening the compression and enabling the blood to flow. But do you know how this blood travels from my heart to my feet? The veins carry impure or deoxygenated blood from the body towards the heart. The impure blood enters the right atrium of the heart through two important veins, the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. As the atrium contracts, the tricuspid valve opens and the blood is pushed into the relaxed right ventricle. Now, the blood-filled right ventricle contracts to push open the pulmonary valve and the blood now enters the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood, which is then taken to the lungs for purification. In the lungs, the blood is purified, meaning it's enriched with oxygen. This pure blood now returns to the heart through the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein is the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. In the heart, this blood is received by the left atrium. The left atrium contracts and the mitral valve opens to pour the blood into the relaxed left ventricle. The blood-filled left ventricle contracts to open the aortic valve and the blood enters the aorta, which is the largest artery. This artery further branches itself to circulate blood throughout the body. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart are called the systole and diastole respectively. Did you notice that the two atriums are the receiving chambers and the two ventricles are the discharging chambers? When the heart beats, we hear a lub-dub sound. The first lub sound that you hear is made during the closing of the tricuspid and mitral valve, and the dub sound is made by the closing of the pulmonary and aortic valve. The circulation of blood from the right ventricle of the heart to the lungs and from the lungs back to the left atrium of the heart is called the pulmonary circulation loop. Pulmonary is the word related to the lungs. So the part of circulation where the lungs are involved is the pulmonary circulation. The circulation of blood from the left ventricle to the entire body and from the body back to the right atrium of the heart is called the systemic circulation loop. Due to the presence of two circulation loops, the human body is said to have a double circulation. The blood is circulating in my feet now and the numbness is gone. Now I'm going to go for a walk. See you next time.